What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This past weekend we had a gorgeous Sunday. I met up with some of the guys from the NYC Zoos Club. We met at Finback Brewery. We took a ride down to Arcane Moto's shop, Carlos's shop, where he does powder coating. And he had Andy's Flex there. It was delivered there, so we put it together. We had a little bit of an unboxing mishap. So check out this video. You get a good laugh out of it. And we'll see you on the flip side.
I guess we could cheers to water.
Cheers.
Would you like to sit? No.
Yo, Colin, put her on.
Nah, you put it on.
Super quick.
Oh, wait, let the guy sit up. Yo, you ready?
Yeah, no,
We're going.
We've been waiting too long, man. We've been waiting too long.
The most complicated bike assembly ever. Handlebars on. The unboxing is more complicated than the assembly.
Wait, what are those for?
It's to keep the
It like locks
together.
them. Yeah. It locks the insides to the box.
Brand new.
Let's get that battery out first.
Yeah.
Plug it in.
Yeah, this is where the shit was broken right here. Look.
Yeah.
Oh no.
You saw his box was busted up.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, it took a hit?
Uh-oh. That's not good.
Siva. This is the issue right here. Open
They
that.
fucked us, man. They fucked us.
This box came with a door.
Good thing we got a certified Zeus tech.
I think Vinny got
I-
the Chris's cell phone.
man.
I think Siva fucked this up.
You got yeah.
But
Ooh, this is the first time we see
Oh, look at this
a sand color.
Dude,
That's
I
right.
like this color
First
a lot,
sand color you
actually.
see.
I like this color. Yeah,
Look at that.
Yeah, I definitely like this color.
How are the keys? That's a good question.
How to line up your shit now. It's literally like dumb.
it's just like you fucking idiots didn't know how to do it.
It's true.
Now we had
You
to.
broken up batteries.
You guys broke mad batteries and shit.
Yeah, now the battery's actually connected already.
No, I don't think there's anything in here. Oh.
What are the pedals? It has to be in the box with the pedals on it.
Oh, right. It has to be that right there then.
Yeah, they should be in here.
It has to be with the pedals and the chain guard. No,
Where the hell is that?
I'm surprised you're not using.
Imagine they're like, nah, fuck you. You don't need a pedals.
Yeah. Well, you don't like that either way.
No, but it's a Zeus. You have to pedal
okay,
it.
go.
Where are the pedals?
This is it. This is the assembly part.
None of these bikes come with the short bars anymore, right?
Center it. No. Center it.
I wonder why.
There?
None of these
Yeah,
bikes
right.
come with short bars.
Yeah, that's good. Hold it there for a second.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
I
look
think
how
I would be
unstraight
for
ours
you. I
are.
think of like lengthwise, probably there.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, that's just fire.
Color looks great.
Yeah.
Technically, it's the same size of the 1100, right? The
Push
electric motor.
Slowly jump. Everything else though.
Yo, bro,
Bro, where are the pedals?
Wait, check the box. Isn't it maybe like inside?
I am your fan. What are you talking about?
How's it feel?
I'm your number one
Bro,
fan.
I can actually barely flat foot it.
Really?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Can't fit that
5'11".
No, for real. Not to be mean, but like I thought.
Bare, like I could flat
I
foot
don't-
it, but your fault, bro.
Alright, we found it.
I opened this shit. This
Fucking
was me.
people. Box is heavy. There we go. Oh, the pedals are cool. Springs. You got your extra set of springs. You got your keys. Alright, we're all set. Alright. Unboxing no fail. second part of assembly,
I'm excited to
pedals.
see what the Zeus comes up with this year. Though. Is it gonna be 20-inch wheel or something?
I think that's what Al wants to get. Yeah, he wants a smaller one so he can do stunts and shit.
Where's Al? I thought he was coming.
Watch your foot. Watch your foot.
He got whipped. He's with his girl.
That's how you do it. Pedals and bars, really simple. They make it really easy. So yeah, we thought that the pedals and the battery key and a few other things like fell out of that hole in the box. Siva must have banged it up on the way over. But crisis averted. It was in the box. It was stuck to the top, and you know, Andy got to ride home that night. Pretty cool. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.